What is up, great guys? I hope you have an amazing time here with another price prediction on Aelf cryptocurrency, which is very close to the dollar mark. And we're actually looking at the 1 year price structure here on the price section. It is 521%, guys. Take a look at that. Can you actually imagine how well this cryptocurrency has delivered so far in a year where we had the end of the bear market, an accumulation stage as well on the traditional cryptocurrencies. Now, the regular market activity is not mandatory and necessary for all the altcoins out there. We did have basically situations that were out of the cycle, which is quite interesting. And those cryptocurrencies, I'm telling you, the ones that are successfully considering themselves from the price action side and performing like that out of the cycles are basically the ones that are performing the best when the cycle of the bull market as well steps into, because it's an extra boost on top of something that they were actually able to do much better than the majority of the other cryptocurrencies and deliver, not just about promising a cryptocurrency which is also having volume tradable everywhere. No issue about those concepts. Yet we're going to talk about it from the price action side and discover what's on the table for early 2024. Before we get into, make sure to check out, we have YouTube videos out here on my channel that you can check out all sorts of price predictions about all sorts of cryptos down to the earth, making sure we portray numbers that are just about the realistic side. No blank speculation or empty discussion as usually. I also have trading videos. For example, this $44,000 trading video out there, pure profit, and also shorts around the topic. $101,000 profit, 25 grand, 50 grand on Solana. So there is a lot going on. You can check around that as well. Participate in the trades that I perform. You can join the trades. We have no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved where we perform the trading for a user API trading permission, right? So you can join basically the trades based on performance, and the commission is paid by you every 7 days. You can read more around the page. This is my trading journey and find out more. As well, the one-on-one coaching program, which I'm going to dedicate a little more time at the end of the video. This is for serious people, guys, that are looking to learn how to trade, learn how this business works in a professional manner. Whether we talk about a part-time or a full-time activity, you need to get that financial freedom level at the end of the upcoming bull market. So get your weapons ready for that. And before we talked about it, there is the Aelf cryptocurrency, which is going forward quickly and quickly to the all-time high. It's not yet over there, but it's going forward for that level. It's aiming to touch that, and it's in a very, very highly accelerated mode that we are dealing with. So I'd like to explain the situation a little more, and we'll get back to the accumulation stage, which seems to be a little stage out there that was back in the day in 2022 more likely. The lowest point is anywhere around November 2022 right there, when we were far away from the 200 days moving average, yet we had the other three moving averages of 100 days, 50 days, and 20 days squeezing themselves quite and holding up to the markets right there. As well, successfully breaking above and continuing basically with the pump. As you can see, this cryptocurrency is not that crypto that is sort of away facing the bearish pressure and the selling pressure instantly as soon as it pumps. We have cryptos like that. Unfortunately, they're quite big in the market cap and they're not able to sustain and control a market pumping environment. What we have been doing since basically the first major movement is creating another supply level on the top of the golden pocket, which is most likely correlating at some point between 30 up to 30 cents. There's been extreme major resistance appearing. Markets were kept under pressure from the time and until the breakout. We had 181 days movement under that level. That level is also forming a distance between the top of it as well where the moving average of 200 days is sitting, which means that you have the top level here, the supply, and the price action going in between, right? The price action and going in between. The thing that has happened is we got squeezed. The whole crypto space has pumped. And then what do you expect from Aelf? To be what? To be not proceeding? Why is it so? Did you short this crypto? Did you say that it's not worth it? Because we look at the data and it speaks the opposite. So you have two major confirmations in the encircled area of orange color on 200 days moving average, which is telling you twice that we're not going below that and we don't care about the downtrending environments. No bearish sentiment under domination. We actually speak about that under two confirmations that, hey, we reject you. We don't tolerate that. We broke out of it on the top, of course, and we retested the whole thing. The retest is wild because this is very valuable. So the breakout retest plus 20 days moving average support on the daily. It's wild, guys. This entry is right here on the spot, of course, is 160%, and it's right there in front of you. 160%. It's something that at a time the markets were acting like that, the entire technicals, even at this level, which is a beginner's level of technicals, should have been printed on the charts and they would have been live. I mean, there's nothing that I'm speaking about right now as post-action. It's not that all the indications that we have are based on what's happening prior to that. So they have existed and they would have existed at that time as well. Now, the breakout continuation is heavy, it's beautiful, and what do we speak about right now? It's a major rejection here, guys. This is going to be a difficult level to deal with. I mean, anything above 85 cents to the dollar mark is under difficult circumstances to deal with, which is why I'm telling you folks that continuing without retracing and creating liquidity again over here between 80 cents up to $1 mark. The 85 level is great to keep up over there, but it's going to be hard. So even 80 cents is pretty much acceptable. Anything that is above the 2 extension level on the Fibonacci as well keeps up by following through the situation. Methodology exists in this case that says that we are happy to keep up with the level even if the markets are retracing big time. Today we have pumped insane. We were up to the dollar mark for Aelf Crypto, which doesn't mean we cannot easily come back to the 80 cents mark, easily come back. It also depends how does the market is going to act as an environment. If it holds up very well for the upcoming days, then it's just about greatness. So, I would be careful, guys, leveraging, of course, this is not about that. But as well, I would be careful with spot due to the fact that you can easily get caught into a situation where you have to wait a few weeks until you actually see the same resources in your account if your entry is wrong. So you need to understand that there's cryptos that you have missed in terms of opportunities of short term. Meanwhile, there's still others that give you that opportunity. Just take a look at the XMR Monero. Today I'm filming this video on 23rd of December. I want you to take a look at that. Look at the whole structure. I have a video about XMR price prediction for 2024. Correlate today's price and charts with my video that's in my channel and take a look at that, guys, speaking about opportunities. That's all, folks. That's it. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and check out my trading videos as well. For everybody to check out, basically there's many trading videos out here on my channel as well speaking about a topic. Feel free to consider checking around. You can join without upfront fees, only commission from pure profit, so it's totally based on performance. You can see my trading journey, reach out to me, have a complete the form. All the links can be found in the description area and comments area, so that's the way you participate and join. As well, the one-on-one coaching for which I like to dedicate a minute. Now, this is only for serious people, like I said. It's not possible to make money on the bull market in a substantial way and actually keep that money by not losing it at some point without being serious about your knowledge and skills. So usually without being serious about education and life, things cannot be done in a professional way, which is a concept that I am strongly holding on. Therefore, this coaching program is pretty much constructed and built on the same concepts. One-on-one with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade and share with you my screen and take you by hand and exactly show you how to understand the language of the market, how to react to the language of the market, what kind of concepts of tradings do we have that are correct successful as well, which are the strategies that are working, what is the way of trading in terms of indicators, including the ability for us to do live trading. We have exercises, homeworks, psychology, mindset discussion, everything that is around the risk management as well. So it's pretty much the complex way of being around this business. Register now for a free conversation with me or jump on a quick call. Make sure to check out a video for a detailed explanation on the stages. And that's it, folks. Have a good time. We'll talk to you soon.